story, but I can't think of a link to Royal Ascot because it does look as if today is likely to be the hottest and sunniest day of the meet. In fact, two things are going to happen in the next few days. First of all, it's going to get cooler everywhere, getting cooler now as a matter of fact, and secondly, more unsettled with some rain. But what I can't necessarily promise you is enough rain for the gardens, at least probably not in southwestern areas. Now, we've seen a big difference in temperatures even today. 16 degrees in Aberdeen, 14 degrees just recently in Belfast. They were 25 yesterday and 26 yesterday. Reason, a little weak front has come south. It's a cold front, so as the name implies, it has introduced somewhat cooler air, and of course ahead of it, things are just the same as they were yesterday, and we could well see temperatures up to about 28 degrees before the day's out. Southernmost parts enjoying another gloriously sunny day. For Northern Ireland and the northwestern corner of England and Wales, a good deal of cloud, little bits of drizzle around as well. And we will find more in the way of cloud feeding down into the rest of the Midlands, across to East Anglia, maybe the extreme southeast as the time goes on, perhaps bringing with it the odd light shower. On the other hand, the cloud in those northwestern areas thinning a little bit, some brightness breaking through. And then we have the northeastern corner where there'll be some sunshine and nothing more than an odd fleeting shower. But as we've just seen, it is a lot cooler and fresher in those northern areas. It will be as warm as ever, hot as ever in the south, 28 or so. That's over 80 Fahrenheit. Of course, we have to pay for it because the index, pollen index, is pretty high in the more central and southern parts of the country, so naturally is the sun index. Even further north, take care because the sun is very high and strong in the sky, and you only need a little bit of a break in the cloud for it to be a little bit of a problem. Now that's the weak front. We can more or less forget that. It's dying a death, but we've got a new area of low pressure brewing up out there on the Atlantic. The old front, though, dangling across the country during the night, giving us some cloud, but the old front rejuvenating as it moves up towards the northwest of Scotland, and eventually I think you'll get some fairly steady rain into those northwestern areas. But before the cloud arrives, the northeast should have a cooler and fresher night than we've had recently. Another bit of a sticky one in the south. And then as far as tomorrow is concerned, Scotland and Northern Ireland soon becoming cloudy with outbreaks of rain, the rain heaviest in northwestern parts. England and Wales not doing too badly, but again